Signet owns and operates many brands like Zales, Peoples, Gordon's Jewelers, and they work with selected wholesalers to offer customized jewelry through the Signet websites. This personalized jewelry configurator will allow buyers to customize their jewelry right in their browser. The configurator allows them to configure the metals, the number and the type of stones. They can even add custom engraving to their jewelry directly on Zales.com. They will be able to see the results instantly, so no more guessing what the jewelry will look like. As they create their jewelry, the price is updated automatically at every step of the way, so they know exactly what to count on. Pricing and style information is stored in and controlled by PIRO. Therefore, when an order is submitted, all the information with style images and configuration is seamlessly and automatically transferred to PIRO.